Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're here on the beachfront. We're actually live, and I'm going to show you a house that Prestige has for sale, a spec home here. It's second row back, but I wanted to show y'all the view of the beach and also show you the home. We've had this home several times on the Prestige show, but I thought I'd give you the view of it here from the beachfront and then take you into it and let you see exactly what it looked like. We're going to drop down a little bit, and there you can see this is actually live. This is what the beach looks like right now here on Bolivar, and this is a second row house. This home actually has a buyout in front of it, or not a buyout, sorry about that. It's a larger lot, so it's open in front of it right there. But there you can see it's not a buyout. That was my mistake. But we're going to come in so you can take a look at it and exactly see what this home looks like. Already has patio furniture on it. A great home here on Trinidad, I believe is the road. And so there you can see the house. Looks like there's a car under it. Maybe they're working on it or something. But anyway, this is a home by Prestige. Last I heard, it was still for sale. It has an open lot in front of it. It's not a buyout lot. And then there's access to the beach right there too. And so when you have a lot like that in front of you and it's part of a bigger lot, chances are it'll never be built on, or hopefully. But there you can see the beach. Just wanted to give you a little view of what it looked like down here today. And want to thank Prestige for everything they do in the community and for being a big part of Team Bolivar. So we're doing a lot of Coastal 1 shows this morning or this week here on Bolivar to show the beauty that Bolivar has, because it's unbelievable what our beach looks like down here and the shape it's in, and the water since Burl has actually been beautiful. And so if you're looking for something to do, ready to get out, get away, maybe the kids are in school and you want to take a day trip, what better way to get away and enjoy our 27 miles of beachfront paradise, either for the weekend or a week-long vacation, or maybe just a day trip, enjoy some of the fresh seafood down here, than here on Bolivar Peninsula. And once again, I want to thank Prestige Custom Builders for sponsoring this Bolivar Live feed. And we saw the house, one of their spec homes, and last I heard it was still on the market. But there you can see what the beachfront looks like, and we're going to go up a little bit and take a look around as we wind this broadcast down. Summer may be coming to an end, but I can tell you there's still plenty to do on our 27 miles of beachfront paradise, Bolivar Peninsula. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you real soon on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. Remember, you can see Bolivar Live anytime through our 11 live webcams at BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com. Until next time, y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless. And come explore Bolivar Peninsula. You'll love it. God bless, and bye-bye.